Hello children, and I am your maths teacher Shahnaz, and today I am going to teach you subtractions with regrouping. Okay, in the last class you already learned about the subtractions that is without regrouping. Okay, today I am going to teach you with regrouping, that is with borrowed sums. Okay, so let's take with an example, that is I am taking the numbers here 43 minus 28. Understood? 43 minus 28. Now, whenever you are doing subtraction or addition, first you must go our smaller friend ones. Okay. So here ones place you must concentrate. Okay. Now come to the ones place here. See, two numbers are there, 3 and 8. Okay. So now tell me children, is it possible to subtract 8 from 3? Is it possible? Okay. No, because here is a smaller number than this number. Okay, this is bigger number. Okay, see, I draw some beads here. Okay, 3 beads, then 8 beads. Which is the biggest here? Is there more beads here? So, of course, 8 is a more beads. Understood? Now, so it is not possible to subtract 8 beads from 3 beads. Okay, in this time, in that time, you have to take the help from tens place. Understood? Who is your friend? Tens is our friend. Okay. How many tens are there? 4 tens. Okay. I'll show you with an image, that is 4 tens. Okay. This is a bundle of 1 ten, bundle of 2 ten, bundle of 3 ten, bundle of 4 ten. Okay. How many bundles? 4 bundles. How many bundles? 4 bundles. See, one bundle of 10. Second bundle of 10, third one of 10, fourth one of 10. Understood? Let me count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Once 10 beads including 110. Understood? See. Understood? So 110, 210, 310, 410. 4 tens are there. Okay. Now the smaller number will take help from tens place. Understood? Now, how many tens? 4 tens. If already we have 3 ones. How many ones? 3 ones. Okay. If tens will give you 1 ten. Tens will give you 1 tens to the ones place. Okay. In that time, the 3 will become 13. How? Already 3 beads are there. Understood? Now 1 tens will take from tens place. Understood? So in this bundle of 4 ten, 1 beads, 1 ten of bundle already there in the place of ones. Okay, rest of the tens, rest of the number, rest of the tens bundle here in the place of tens. How many? Let me count. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. Okay. Now the 4 will become 3. 4 will become 3. 3 will become 13. Where another one bundle? That bundle will take 1. One's place. Okay. So now you concentrate on 13 and 8. Okay. Now you took the borrow from the tens place. Okay. Now you again concentrate on the place of ones only. Understood? Now you see, you check the numbers whether it is big or small. See, 8 is smaller than the 13. 13 is bigger number. Now, is it possible to subtract 8 from 13? Yes. Okay, because 13 is bigger number than the 8. Now, bigger number. Okay, bigger number. Always keep it in your mind. Which is bigger number here? 13 is a bigger number. 13 in your mind. What about 8? 8 you have to count by your finger. 8. Understood? So 13 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 13 before number. Because we are doing subtraction before number. Okay. So 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What is the answer? Answer is 5. Understood? Now you got the answer to the ones place. Now come to the place of 10. Okay, how many tenses are there? 3. Okay, 3. Now the smaller number is 2. So 3 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 3 before, 2, 1. Okay, you got the answer. You got the difference here. Okay, 15. So 43 minus 28 will become, the answer will be 15. Okay, got it. So I'll tell you, I'll solve one more example. I'll show you the example. Okay, one more example I'll take. Let me take one more example, that is in your textbook. This is a textbook, right? Okay, come to page number 115. Page number 115. 115. Okay, exercise 4.5 is there, no? So in the first main, subtract the following. The first example I am going to take it as an example. Okay, so the number is 88 minus 29. Understood? This is your question. Ones place, tens place. Okay, children. Now 88 minus 29. Now first we have to concentrate on the ones place. Okay, this is compulsory. Okay, so how many ones? 8 ones. How many ones? 9 ones. There are two different numbers, 8 and 9. Which is bigger number? 9 is bigger number. Now tell me, is it possible to subtract 9 from 8? No. Understood? So in this case we have to take borrow from the place of tens. Understood? Now how many tens are there? 8 tens. How many tens? 8 tens. Okay, let me draw the tens here. Already 3 is there, no? 3 tens. Now I will draw . Okay, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see children, how many tens I told you? 8 tens. See, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bundle of tens? 8 bundle of tens. Got it? How many ones? 8 ones. Okay, draw the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here how many beads? 9. Already 8 are there here. 9. Which is more? Which is more? 9 is more. We are not supposed to subtract 9 from 8. Okay, in this case we have to take borrow from the tens place. Okay, let's take the borrow. See, 8 there, already 8 beads. Okay, write the 8 beads first. Okay, on the head, one's head we have to write 8. Okay, next step, take borrow. How many? 8. If 8 tens, the tens will give 1 10 to 1's place. The remaining, okay, I'll grab this one. This 10 will go to the place of 1. Okay, this 8 will become 18. Okay, now count. 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tens? 7 tens. Got the answer? Okay, understood? Now, after this, after taking borrow and writing the numbers, now you come to the place of ones. Okay, next see the numbers. Which is bigger number here? 18. Okay, this 8 became already 18 here. 18 and 9. Which is bigger number? 18 is a bigger number. Which is smaller number? 9 is a smaller number. Okay. So bigger number, keep it in the mind. 18 in your mind, 9 in the finger. 18 before. 18 before. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Answer, the difference is 9. What the answer? In the place of ones. Come to the tens place right now. Okay. Which is bigger number? 7 is bigger number. How? The 8 tens. Okay. In that 8 tens, 1 10 already goes to the place of 1. Okay. Now the 8 will become 7. Okay. 7 in a mind, 2 in a finger. 7 before, 6, 5. What is the answer? 5 is the answer. Now you got the difference. Okay, 59 is your answer. Now 88 minus 29. His difference is 59. Understood? Okay, like this you have to solve. Okay, I'll explain one more example here in the page number 1114. 114. 114. Okay, 114 is there, no? So one more example I'll explain you. It's a simple example. Let me take one more example. It is already there in your textbook. That is exercise 4.4. The first example I am going to take, that is 13 minus 8. Okay. 13 minus 8. Place of ones, place of tens. Okay children, now come to the point. How many ones? Let me erase this all. Okay. How many ones? 3 ones. Okay, how many ones? 3 ones. Here down 8. Okay, how many tens? Only 1 10. Only one bundle of tens. Okay, now tell me, okay, is it possible to subtract 8 from 3? No, because the upper number is smaller than the below number. Understood? In this case, you have to borrow from the tens place. But one thing is here, that is only one number is there. How many digits are there? Only one digit. No numbers. No numbers in the sense that will be a 0. That will be a 0. Understood? Now 3 ones. Write 3. Okay. If one will ask help to the tens, okay, 10 will give. In the 10, the friend will 10 will give you one bundle. He has already only one bundle of 10. Right now. So if this bundle of 10 will give ones, okay, the 3 will become 13. What about this? Already he gave to the ones place, no? Anything is here tens? 0, 0, 0. So 1 will become 0. No bundle. Okay? No bundle, because one whole bundle, take it from tens place, that is 1. Okay? So here the 1 became 0. Understood? Now you subtract the place of ones first. See the numbers 13 and 8. Which bigger number? 13 is bigger number. Okay, 13 in a mind, 8 in a finger. Okay, 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, the answer is 5. Okay, understood children? Now come to the place of tens. See, what are two numbers are there here? 0, 0. Okay, the answer will be 0 minus 0, 0 only. Okay, what is the difference for this question? Only 5. How many? Is there any number in the place of tens? No numbers. The 0 only. In the place of ones, there is a 5 ones. Understood? So, like this you have to solve the remaining questions. I will tell you in textbook page number in your textbook, tulip textbook, okay, page number, take the homework, okay, homework is exercise 4.4, okay, 4.4 having the 10 sums, okay, the same, that is with regrouping, okay children, that you can solve. Then 4.5, same exercise 4.5, this also you should solve, okay. Page number I will mention in the bracket, that is page number 114, that is page number 115, okay. These both the names you have to solve in your textbook itself only, okay. So hope you understand this concept, that is with regrouping. Understood? So thank you all.